Let's get into the next question. A technician is setting up a new SOHO network and wants to ensure devices receive IP addresses automatically. Which device provides this functionality? Network switch, router, patch panel, wireless repeater, or media converter. So, if we are setting up a new SOHO or small office, home office network and want to ensure devices receive IP addresses automatically. So this is for home office. So which device provides this functionality of these listed devices? And obviously that is router, as router has DHCP built into it. As in small networks, routers typically include a DHCP server that assigns IP addresses to connected devices automatically. Switches and patch panels operate at a lower network layers and do not assign IP addresses. Wireless repeaters extend signal range but do not manage IP configuration. A user reports that their external hard drive disconnects whenever another high-powered USB device is plugged into the same system. The drive works fine when used alone. What is the most likely cause? Corrupt file system, incorrect drive formatting, insufficient USB power delivery, malware infection, or outdated antivirus. And here the correct answer is insufficient USB power delivery, as USB ports share limited power budget. When multiple high draw devices are connected, some devices may disconnect due to insufficient power. This is especially common with bus-powered external drives. File system corruption or malware would not correlate with other devices being plugged in. A workstation connected to a surge protector still experiences damage after repeated power fluctuations. The surge protector indicator shows normal operation. What additional protection should be recommended? Uninterruptible power supply, power strip with more outlets, longer extension cord, ground lift adapter, or USB power hub. And here the correct answer would be uninterruptible power supply, or UPS. And this is something what you should know 100% for this exam, as a UPS provides both surge protection and voltage regulation, protecting equipment from brownouts and short outages. Surge protectors alone do not stabilize voltage or provide sustainable power during fluctuations. Ground lift adapters are unsafe and should never be used. A smartphone battery drains unusually fast even when the device is idle and unused overnight. Background app refresh is disabled and screen brightness is low. What is the most likely cause? So if your smartphone's battery drains even if the phone is switched off at night. Corrupt photo gallery, disabled GPS, incorrect wallpaper resolution, full storage capacity, or poor cellular signal strength. And the correct answer here is that your battery could also drain fast even if it's not used because of poor cellular signal strength, as when signal strength is weak, mobile devices increase transmission power to maintain a connection, significantly draining the battery. This happens when the phone appears idle. Storage usage, wallpaper resolution, or disabled GPS do not cause continuous power draw at the radio level. A technician is asked to connect a laptop to projectors that only supports VGA input. A laptop has HDMI and USB-C ports but no VGA port. Which accessory will most reliably allow video output to the projector? Passive VGA splitter, USB flash drive, Ethernet crossover cable, HDMI to VGA active adapter, or DisplayPort daisy chain. And here's the correct answer is HDMI to VGA active adapter, as HDMI outputs a digital signal while VGA requires an analog signal. An active HDMI to VGA adapter converts the digital HDMI signal into analog VGA, enabling compatibility. Passive splitters cannot convert signal types, and the other options do not provide video signal conversion. And here you go, guys, another practice test. If you found this useful, you can find many more practice tests on the channel's homepage. If you found this useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.